Okay, came up with a battery saver solution. This car has a alarm system, and every time you change the battery out, the alarm goes off and you have to go through this whole process to reset it. And so this way, I've got just two little alligator clips, and they're straight on the cables, and they come down to just a little sealed lead acid battery, 12 volt. And so now I should be able to take these battery cables off without the car freaking out whenever I put the new one on. And you know, it wouldn't be a mechanic job if you didn't drop the socket down into the abyss. Anyways, we'll see if it works. Okay, well, we got it out, and we still got the battery connected over there. So let's get in and try it out. We're not going to try to start it or anything, but maybe turn it on and see if we've got any power. If we do, that's a good sign. Look, we've got power here. So I'm not even going to try anything else. It is working. It seems to have kept it alive. So now I can go take that core in, bring it back, change it out. We shouldn't have to mess with any alarm stuff, and don't even have to reset the radio or anything. And we know the computer will have been taken care of too through all of it. So pretty good little setup. All right, got the new battery. Got the cables still hooked up to the changeover battery. And so we're just gonna go ahead and put it on, see what happens. Negative. Had a little bit different battery at the place, but it should work. It's slightly smaller, just a few less cranking amps. Okay, well, let's unplug those just to be careful. All right, she's all tightened down. Let's go and see what we get. So we can start the car up now. We've got lights. The alarm's not going off. Will it start? It starts. Beautiful. All right. Cool. Found the socket.